Hello, Mary. Good evening. Hello, Mary. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Can you hear me well?
Yeah,
Very good. Okay, how are you today?
I'm good.
Nice. What's the weather today, Mary?
It's sunny.
Very good. What did you do this morning?
I go to school.
Oh, okay. But you are on your summer vacation, right?
Yeah,
Okay, what did you do in school?
I study art, a math, and a chess.
Very good, Mary. Okay. So, Mary, I want you to look at your book. Okay, are you ready to start?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
ready.
ready. Great. So we are now in Unit 2. It's all about home. Okay, now this time we're going to learn words. Look, listen, and repeat.
Sofa,
Sofa.
sofa.
Nice. Okay, now
Sofa.
what is this, Mary?
It's the sofa.
Very good. Okay, what color is the sofa?
It's pink.
That's right. Okay, what do we do on the sofa?
We sit down on
Very
the
good.
sofa.
Okay, have you got a sofa at home?
No, I don't.
That's all right. Okay, now look, say television.
Television.
Nice. Okay, now look at the television. What is it for?
It's red.
Yes, okay, the color is red. But what is the television for? It is to,
It's the people.
okay, we watch movies from the television. Do you have a television, Mary?
Yeah, I have.
Wow, great. Okay, now look, say armchair.
Armchair.
Okay, now what is this?
It is an armchair.
That's right. Okay, we also sit on the armchair. Now, what color is the armchair?
It's red.
Very good. Okay, what part of the house where we put the armchair? Is it in the bedroom, in the bathroom, living
In
room,
the living
kitchen?
room. In
Very
the
good. Do
living
you
room.
have an armchair?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Now look, say door.
Door.
Great. So a door, okay, is something where we use to enter and exit in our house. Okay, look at this door. It's brown. What about your door? What color is your door, Mary?
It's brown.
Oh, it's brown too. Very good. How many doors do you have?
Uh-huh.
How
Mm,
many doors do you have?
Big door.
Six.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of doors. Great, Mary. Okay, now look. Say mat.
Mat.
Okay, when we go on a picnic, we bring the mat so that we have something to sit on the grass. Okay. Do you like going on a picnic?
Yeah.
Great. Do you bring mat with you?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, now look, say table.
Table.
Great. Okay, now what do we put on the table, Mary?
We put the book, the laptop, the um Um, the pencil case.
Very good. That's right, Mary. Okay. And we can also eat on the table, right?
That
Okay. Now I want you to look at the table in your house. How many tables do you have, Mary?
I have um, 7.
Wow, that's a lot. You must have a very big house because imagine 6 doors, then 7 tables. Great, Mary. Okay. Now look, say lamp.
Lamb.
Okay. Do you have a lamp?
Yeah, I have.
Great. Okay. What color is your lamp?
It's white.
Nice. Where is your lamp?
It on the table.
Very good. Okay. What the lamp for?
Lamb was light.
That is right. Okay. When it's dark, we turn on the lamp so that we can see at night. Okay. And it gives light when we turn on the lamp. Great, Mary. Now look, say mirror.
Mirror.
Okay, so this is R, not W. Okay, mirror. Now, look, when we're going to look at the mirror, what can we see? We can see our face. So a mirror is a reflection of some people or some things. Okay. Now we can look at the mirror when we brush our hair, when we put some makeup, when we fix our hair, when we're going to put some powder, and to see if we look nice with our dress. That's the mirror for. Do you have a mirror at home, Mary?
No, I, oh, yes, I have.
Nice. Where is the mirror at home?
It's in the bedroom.
Very good. Okay, now look, say picture.
The
Very good. A picture is something that we use to hang it on the wall. It could be a family picture, a picture of yourself, or some portrait, or some sceneries, just like this one. A picture of trees and hills, like that. So it gives beauty to our house when we look into it. Okay, now look, say window.
window.
Great. Okay. So every house has its own window. How many windows do you have, Mary?
I have 5.
5 windows. Nice. So we can open and close the window, okay? So that some fresh air would go inside our house. Okay, but some people prefer not to open the window so that the mosquitoes will not enter their house through the window. Okay, now look, say wall. Wall. Okay. Now I want you to look at this picture, Mary. What color is the wall? I can't hear you, Mary.
It's pink, green, and brown.
Very good. What about your wall? What color is your wall?
It's yellow.
Wow, nice. Okay, now look, say bookcase.
Bookcase.
Great. Okay, so look at the bookcase. What's there on the bookcase?
It's a book.
That's right. There are many books. Do you have a bookcase?
Yeah, I have.
Wow, that's really great, Mary. Okay, now this time, Mary, let's play a game. Are you ready to play?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great. So in here, you have to choose an egg and you answer the question. So you have 5 seconds to answer. And if you give the incorrect answer, that means teacher AM will answer it. If you get it right, you will get a mystery box. It is called mystery box because you don't know what's inside of the box. It could be good or bad. So you can say, teacher, I want to keep it or give it. If you keep it, that means you're going to take what's inside the mystery box. But if you want to give it to me, then that means you're not going to take it. I'm going to keep it on my own. Okay, now let's start. I want you to look at the birds. Which bird do you want to open?
Mm, the yes.
Oh, not, wait a minute, wait a minute. Okay, so in here, these are all the things that's inside the mystery box. You lose 100, you get 100, you lose and get 200, you can steal 100, you lose one half of your score, you can get 500 if you get egg. Then either if you get this, you lose all. Okay, now look. I want you to choose one in here,
Mm,
Mary.
here.
4. Let's try. Okay, now what is it, Mary?
This is the school.
Very good. Okay, a school that has a hall. You are also correct when you say school. So let's see. Okay, are you going to give it to teacher or keep the box?
Keep it.
Give or keep?
Give.
Give. All right, let's see. Oh, so that means you're
Here.
giving me 200. Thank you, Mary. Okay, now look, what is it?
This is the kitchen.
Very good. Okay, now are you going to keep or get?
Keep.
Let's see. Dang, da, da, dang, dang, dang. Ah.
Mm.
Okay, nice try, Mary. So that means you've got a negative 100. Okay, now look, what's this?
This is a dog.
Very good. Okay, so what do you want for the box? Keep or give?
Keep. Keep.
Keep. Tong, 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 tong. Oh no! You lose one
Oh.
half again. Okay, so that means you have minus 150. Okay, better luck next time, Mary. Look, what is it?
This is a television.
Very good. What do you want to do? Give or keep?
Give it. Give it.
Give. Let's see. Dong, 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 dong. Okay, thank you for giving me 700 points.
Huh?
Okay. Now let's see. Maybe you'll be so lucky in the next one. Okay, look. What is it?
This is a table. Hmm.
Very good. What do you want to do? Keep or give? Give. Dang da dang dang dang. Nice. Okay. Oh, by the way, when we say steal 100, Mary, that means you're going to get 100 from me. So you already have 100. No, 100, still 100. Then you got minus 50, so you have 50. So you have now 150 points. Very good. Okay, now look at these. What are these?
Here is a chair.
Okay, say these are chairs.
These are chairs.
Very good. Are you going to keep it or give it?
Give it. Give it.
Give. Dang, 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 dang. Wow, I lose all my points. Okay, so how much points do you have now? 150 plus, okay, 500. You've got how many? 650. Okay, Mary has 650. Teacher AM has no points.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
congrats, Mary. Now look, what is it?
This is a mat.
Very good. Are you going to keep it or give it? Choose wisely.
Give it. Give it.
Give. Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Let's count from 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Wow. Okay. So what's your answer again? Give or keep?
Give. No, keep.
Give.
Keep. Keep. Keep.
Keep. So you have now 550. Okay, not
No.
bad. Because you still have points compared to me. I only got 0. Okay, now look.
No.
What's this?
This is a picture.
Very good, Mary. Are you going to keep it or give it?
Give it. Give it.
Give. Dong, 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 dong. Wow. Okay, you're back to 650. Okay. Now look, what is it?
Yeah. Armchair. Armchair.
Great. Okay, now are you going to give it or keep it?
Give it. Give it.
Give. Tong 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 tong. To steal 100. How can I give you 100 if I don't have points? Okay, so I'll give you later. So let's just say that you have 750. Okay. Now what about in here? What is this?
This is a window.
Wow, nice. Are you going to give it to me or keep?
Give it. No, keep it. Keep. Keep.
Keep. Wow, let's see. Tang 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 tang. Oh, you've got 80. Maybe it's time for you to give me some. Okay, now look. What are these?
This a flower.
Very good. Okay, now are you going to give it or still keep it?
Give it. Give it.
Give. Thank you, Mary. But let's see if I should be thankful. Tang 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 tang. Oh no. That means you lose 200. Okay. Then teacher, teacher has 200. Mary has 650. Okay. Now what about this one? What is this?
This is cupboard.
Very good. Say cupboard. Cupboard.
Cupboard.
Very good. Okay. Keep or give?
Keep. Keep it. Keep it.
Keep. Very good. Now let's see if you can still keep it. Tang 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 tang. You lose 100. Not bad. Okay, now look. What's this?
This is a bathroom. Oh no. It's a mirror.
Mirror. Very good. Okay. Now, are you going to keep it or give it?
Keep it. Keep it.
Give it. Dong 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 dong. All
Yeah.
right, I get 300. Thank you, Mary. Okay, now look, what is this?
It's a lamb.
Very good. Are you going to give it or keep it?
Give it. Give it.
Give. You're so generous. Dang da dang dang dang. Oh no. I'm not thankful to what you give. So I lose 200. So I go down to 100 only. I mean I go down to 100 again. Now look, what's this?
This is a wall.
It's a wall. Very good. Okay, now are you going to keep it or give it?
Keep it. Keep it.
Give. Dang da da dang 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 dang. Thank you, Mary. I'm back to 200. Okay, now look, what's this?
This is it is is
What
a
place
garden.
is it? A
Garden.
garden. Great. Now, are you going to keep or give to teacher?
Give. 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 No.
Give.
Keep. 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 Keep.
What's your final answer?
Keep.
Keep. Da-da-dang. Wow.
Keep.
Give me a high five.
Yeah.
Nice. You've got a golden egg plus one big star. Great. So 550 plus 500 is equal to
1,000. 1,000. 1,050.
very good, Mary. Do you still want to play the game?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you say yes, there is a chance that you would lose all what you have. But if you will not play with this game anymore, you can take your 1050. But if you want to play again, you might lose it or you might earn more. So what do you want? Play
Mm,
or not anymore?
play. Play.
Wow, you're so brave. Let's see if you will earn more. Look, what is it?
It's a sofa.
A sofa. Nice. Okay, keep it or give it?
Give it. Give it. Give it.
Give. Da-da-da-da-dang. Okay, thank you, Mary. I got 300. So Mary got 950. Okay, now
Ah,
look, what is it?
this is a bookcase.
Very good. Are you gonna keep it or give it to teacher?
Keep it. No, give it. Give it. Give
Keep.
to teacher.
Keep, keep or give?
Give. Give. Give.
Give. Okay, let's see. Da-da-da-da-dang, dang, dang. Okay. So I got 500. Then Mary got, 950 minus 200. That's
And
750. Okay. Now look, Mary. Oh, so that's the end of the game. So congratulations because you've got 750. That means you won the game. Give me a high 10, Mary.
yeah.
Yay, nice game, Mary. Okay, so you have this. One great job. Very good. All right. Now, Mary, let's practice. I want you to look and say, okay. Now, look at number one. What is number one, Mary?
Number one is window. Window.
Very good. It is a window. Okay, what about number two?
Number two is um um a wall.
Nice. Okay, now what about number three?
Number three is a picture.
Try again, Mary.
Number three no, Number 3 is a picture. Picture.
All right. Number 3 is a mirror.
Oh, picture. Picture. Picture.
Mirror. Number 3, look. There is a plant, then we can see the reflection of the plant. It is a mirror. Okay, this is a mirror. What about number 4?
It's a picture.
Very good. How about number 5, Mary?
It's a bouquet. Bouquet.
Nice. What about number 6?
Mm, it's dark.
It's a door. Nice. Okay, now what about number 7?
Mm, is television.
Number 7 is television. Great. How about number 8, Mary?
It's
Lamp. What about number 10?
It's table.
Great. 11.
Is mat.
Nice. 9.
Is sofa.
Great. 12.
Is armchair.
Wow. Well done, Mary. You've got an almost perfect score of 11 out of 12. So you still have this one big candy. Very good, Mary. Okay. Now, Mary, let's look at this. I want you to point and say, okay, now look at this one. What do you call the color pink
Item.
in here? It is a,
The
what's
wall.
this?
A wall. Sofa.
Very good. Now this time, Mary, I want you to look and match. You can do it, Mary. Look and match. Very good. Television. Mirror. Armchair.
Oh, teacher, what is this? It's a bookcase.
That's right. It is a bookcase. Is there a bookcase here? There's no bookcase. Okay, so that is bonus. Okay. And lastly, we have a picture. Wow, well done, Mary. So you have this. Great job, Mary. Okay, now, Mary, I want you to look and fill in the blanks with the correct spelling. There's one example. Television. What about
Television.
this one?
It's picture.
How do you spell that, Mary?
Picture. Picture.
Wow, very good. Okay, now what about this one?
Is man.
How do you spell that?
M-A-T.
Wow, very good, Mary. Great, Mary. Since it's already time, we'll just end here. Thank you so much for joining. You've got one great job, one big candy, one another great job, and one big star. Bye bye, Mary. I hope you learned
Goodbye,
something.
teacher. Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.